Did you know that your mouth is a window into your overall health? That's right. The health of your teeth and gums can actually signal potential issues in other parts of your body. It's amazing how interconnected our bodies truly are. For far too long, we've been bombarded with harsh chemicals and artificial ingredients in our oral care products. But what if I told you there's a gentler, more natural way to achieve a healthy, radiant smile? Natural remedies have been used for centuries to promote oral health, and they're making a big comeback as people seek gentler, more holistic approaches to their well-being. These remedies utilize the power of nature to cleanse, protect, and brighten your smile, all without the use of harsh chemicals. One of the biggest benefits of choosing natural remedies for your smile is that they are incredibly gentle on your teeth and gums. Unlike conventional products that can sometimes be abrasive or contain harsh chemicals, natural remedies work in harmony with your body to promote optimal oral health. Many conventional oral care products contain ingredients that can actually harm your teeth and gums in the long run. These harsh chemicals can disrupt the delicate balance of your oral microbiome, leading to issues like dry mouth, tooth sensitivity, and even enamel erosion. Natural remedies, on the other hand, are derived from plants and minerals that have been used for centuries to support oral health. They work gently to cleanse your teeth and gums without stripping away essential moisture or disrupting your natural oral flora. Oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic practice that has gained immense popularity in recent years for its remarkable benefits for oral health. This simple technique involves swishing a tablespoon of oil, coconut oil is a popular choice, in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes, then spitting it out and rinsing thoroughly. But how does it work? The oil acts like a magnet, drawing out bacteria, toxins, and other impurities from your mouth. Coconut oil in particular contains lauric acid, a powerful antimicrobial agent that helps to neutralize harmful bacteria. Regular oil pulling can help to whiten your teeth, freshen your breath, reduce plaque buildup, and soothe gum inflammation. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your oral health naturally. Section 4. Baking soda, your smile's best friend. Baking soda, a staple in many kitchens, is also a fantastic natural remedy for a brighter, healthier smile. Its gentle abrasive properties make it an effective natural teeth whitener, helping to remove surface stains and brighten your pearly whites. Simply sprinkle a small amount of baking soda onto your toothbrush along with your regular toothpaste, or create a paste by mixing it with a little bit of water. Brush gently for 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Baking soda also helps to neutralize acids in your mouth, preventing enamel erosion and promoting a more alkaline environment that is less conducive to bacterial growth. It's a simple, affordable, and effective way to naturally enhance your smile. Section 5. Share your own natural smile secrets. Now that you've discovered the power of natural remedies for a healthy smile, it's time to share the love. Do you have any favorite natural oral care tips or tricks? We'd love to hear from you. Share your own natural smile secrets in the comments below, and let's create a community of healthy, radiant smiles.